Hey, what's going on, guys? So today we're gonna go ahead and replace our wheel bearing on our truck. I'm actually not replacing mine, I'm just adjusting mine. But if you ever want to replace it, you can look at this video for reference. So let's get started here. Alright guys, forget the sawdust on the ground. But what you're gonna need is a 27. Get you a nice fat 27 there, flathead, and some tweezers. That's all you're gonna need for this. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so we got a tire off, and sorry about the birds, but really can't do much about that. So bear with me people. So we got our tire off. We're gonna take off this cap here. So you're gonna get your flathead and just kind of beat on it so it gives an opening here. Let me get like a tool. There we go. Gives you a little opening, just tug your way in. Then just get on the other side here. There we go, okay. That should be almost ready to come off. Just gotta get some at the bottom here. You just gotta play with it, you know? But it will eventually come off, so. I don't know how hot this thing is. I literally just got done driving. I don't know if you can do this while it's hot. Let me know. I might be setting myself up here to get hurt. Sorry about that. There we go. So we got our bearing off. We got our bearing cap off. So now, there's this cotter pin right here that needs to come out. And I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I'm gonna try to get it as good as I can. Bend this straight. And then I'm gonna get this in right here. I'm gonna bend this inward. Just like this. Or I could just beat it out. Shut the hell up. Random ass dog. Shut up, man. I'm not talking to you. I'm making the video. And you're ruining it. Get the hell out of here. Random ass dog. Okay, so cotter pin's being a little jerk. Come on. It's the only part that sucks about this is the cotter pins. Cotter pins out. Okay, so once your cotter pin's out, all you're gonna do is take this off, and then there's this bolt here. Now my problem is this bolt here is too tight, so I need to loosen mine up. But this is the bearing cover and then the bearing. So basically, I'm gonna loosen that bolt up. You're gonna twist your bolt out like this, right? Then bolt comes out, cover. Take the cover out, bam, and then your bearing will follow suit. And that is how you take out your wheel bearing. And vice versa going back in. So you're gonna push our bearing in there. Come on, you son of a dick. Come on, you fuck. Whatever, that's in there pretty good to me. Bearing's in. We're gonna get our cover. Cover's on there. Nice. Then we're gonna get our bolt. No, sorry. That was wrong. We're gonna get our bolt. Twist that son of a bitch on there. Now this, on my truck, it wasn't tight. It was just just enough to where it could wiggle around. But it wasn't like super tight, so I'm gonna not tighten it all the way. Then we're gonna get our cover here. And then you insert your cotter pin back through. Oh, that's the wrong way. What am I doing? The hell I'm thinking about. Bam, cotter pins back in, and you're all set. Live your life. Enjoy your hard body. All right, so I'm gonna bend this down. Oh, come on, dude, fucking cotter pin, man. Oh my gosh, now the cotter pin is not bending back. There we go. Okay. Dude, they need to make something like where you can just replace these and just use something else. I don't know if they have something, but I'd much rather use another method than just fucking cotter pins. So annoying. But that's it, guys. That's how it's done. So hopefully that didn't take too much of your time. Oh yeah, and your cap. Put your cap back on there and just beat it up. I don't know, however you want to get it back in there. All right, guys, so that's it. That's how you remove your cotter pin. I said cotter pin. I'm so focused on the cotter pin, I'm just not even making sense. That's how you remove your wheel bearing. Gosh, I should actually call this video cotter pin change because that's what took the longest time. All right, guys, have a good weekend. Till next time.